Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're going to jump in now. Open Google Earth on desktop or web and sign in so your project is saved. Use the search box, type a place name or paste coordinates, then zoom in with the scroll wheel or plus and controls. Once there, switch to satellite view and tilt slightly to get 3D context. This helps you see buildings, roads, and terrain. Make sure to position the view where you want to start mapping before adding any markers or lines. Now you'll draw the map elements. Select the Path tool to click points along a route, click, move, click, then edit vertices to smooth bends. Once done, use the Polygon tool to outline areas. Set the altitude mode to relative or absolute depending on whether you want it to hug terrain. Make sure to style lines and fills for clarity, and add descriptions or timestamps so features are informative. If you need to import data, bring in a KML or CSV now for bulk features. Finish by saving your project and exporting it as KML or KMZ so you can share or archive your work. Use the Measure tool to confirm distances and areas, and create a tour if you want a narrated playback of the route. Once exported, test the file by re-importing it to verify fidelity. If something goes wrong, check layers are enabled, validate the KML for syntax errors, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Those fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.